Financial success is not a hard science. It's a soft skill, where how you behave is more important than what you know. Think about Ronald Read. He was a janitor and gas station attendant for 40 years. When he died in 2014, he left behind $8 million. He didn't win the lottery or inherit a fortune. He simply saved small amounts and let them compound for decades. Compare that to Richard Fuscone, a Harvard-educated MBA and high-flying executive who went bankrupt in the same year Ronald Read became a legend. Fuscone borrowed heavily and lived a life he couldn't sustain until the 2008 crash took everything. How did a janitor beat a finance genius? Because in finance, your ego is the gravity, and it can pull even the smartest people down. This is the central theme of The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. To build wealth, you don't need to be a genius. You just need to master your own nature. And the first step to mastering that nature is realizing that when it comes to your financial choices, nobody is actually crazy.